Morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here from Mr. Topstep with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, we've been saying it for a while, and today is definitely the down day. We are currently trading 1349 half. We're down about 1.1% here. Basically, the dynamic that we've been talking about, the way that price was interacting with the 20-day exponential moving average, first in the Russell, and now you're seeing it in the E-mini. It broke its 20-day exponential moving average this morning, about 1354 half. It went up to test that level at about 8 a.m. this morning, couldn't get back through, and now we're trading about 6 handles below it. So we're about 2% off the 1377 quarter highs, and if we close below the 20-day exponential moving average today, on my charts, this will be the beginning of a pullback. So, but in the big scheme of things, after 45 days straight up, a 2% pullback really isn't a whole heck of a lot. So, we may be just beginning, or maybe the dip buyers come in and push it back up. But, the bulls have really got to get it together and perform today, or the bears are going to be able to pick up some momentum as we head down to what I believe to be 1323. So, let's keep an eye on that today. Let's keep an eye on the 1358 level, which is the 20-day pivot. If they're able to get back over the 20-day exponential moving average today, I would expect them to run it up to the 20-day pivot. So the 45-day pivot comes in today at 1333.75, and we're currently trading 1350. So you can see, if you've been following the webcast every day, you can see how price and the 45-day pivot interplay as a function of mean reversion. Okay, lots of chances to take profits during this rally. We were above 1370 so many different times. I really hope that everybody that was long and enjoyed this rally took those profits when those opportunities were presented, because we talked about it on here all the time. So let's do support and resistance. Current trade 1350 half. Up above, you've got the swing low. We're trading right on last week's swing low at 1350 quarter. Then the 20-day exponential 1354.53. 20-day pivot 1357.75. The daily and 9-day pivots are identical today. That's at 1363.92. Then 1366.42 is your 3-day pivot, and 1373, and the old high 1377 quarter. On the downside, 1347, 1343, 1338 quarter, 45-day pivot 1333.75, 1327, and then the pre-non-farm payroll price, which is intersecting with the 50-day exponential moving average at about 1322 to 1323. So, same applies to the downside as applies to the upside. Use stops, be hedged. Don't walk away from your computer if you got an open position without a stop, and don't get too greedy if you're short. If you've been short from up above, start taking some profits as well. It works both ways. Buy them to sell them and sell them to buy them. So everybody have a great day. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader from Mr. Topstep. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.